Hello everyone, my name is Asghar Khan, and today we will talk about an application that has made our lives much easier. As we know, the 21st century is the age of digitalization. Do you remember the last time you used the terminal to top up your mobile phone balance or to pay for utilities? I think no, and sometimes we even buy clothes online using different platforms and applications. And one of these applications is Kaspi.kz. On Kaspi.kz we can pay for utilities, phone internet and much more. If you are a customer of Kaspi Bank, you will also be able to view information on your deposits and loans, make transfers, and repay loans without coming to the bank. And of course, all of this without commissions and queues. And it is very easy and quick to log in on Kaspi.kz. Let's see how to do it directly from your mobile phone. Okay, firstly we go to Kaspi.kz application. We will open the home page. After that, click on the login icon in the upper right corner. If you are a registered person, you just need to enter the mobile phone number that we specified during registration. This will give us the opportunity to view information about our accounts and manage our cards. Next, we will be asked for a password. Enter your password that you specified during registration. If the password is correct, you log in. That's all. Now we are authorized person in the Kaspi.kz. After authorization, you can use all the features in the Kaspi.kz application. You can see these functions on the top of this application. The first section is the store section. In this section, we can make various purchases through Kaspi.kz. The Kaspi.kz store has absolutely everything, from gadgets to food. Also, all of them are divided into sections for easy product search. If you find it difficult to find the product you need, you can write it to the search engine and easily find everything what you want. For example, I want watch. And as you can see, this is different types of watch. And now my colleague Janelle will tell you about the rest of the application's features.
Hello everyone, my name is Janelle Bakibaeva, and today I will tell you about the features of the Kaspi application, such as my bank, payments and transfers. The first thing I'm going to explain is how the My Bank function works. My Bank is a convenient service that saves your time. With it you can view information on loans, deposits, Kaspi Gold and the credit card without coming to the Kaspi branch. In the My Bank service in the mobile app Kaspi.kz, you can get information for free about the debt on loans, as well as about the availability of the account and the available balance on the Kaspi Gold and the Kaspi deposits. Since I do not use the mobile version, there is not point about loans, and so the first thing we see is our card, or rather the card statement, where our money lies. Here you can see how much we spent over what period. For example, a month ago I had 20,000 tenge to up a total of 44,000, transfers of 52,000 and so on. If you scroll down, we see the history of our operations. Also in transfers, on the right side, we can transfer money between our accounts. For example, we can top up your deposits. and we can instantly transfer money by simply writing phone number of the Kaspi Gold client, transfer money from card to card, and make international transfers. Since I do not use the mobile version, the translation cannot be implemented. Another useful features you can see in the upper left corner is deposits. Kaspi.kz allows us to open deposit and top it up with the help of Kaspi Gold. Now we don't have to go to a bank branch to open or top up a deposit. And the last thing is bonuses. Kaspi Gold holders accumulate bonuses by paying with a card for purchases. 0.5% of the amounts spent is always credited in the form of bonuses. Increased bonuses are awarded for purchases made under the Kaspi bonus program. With Kaspi Gold in the payments function, which one is on top, it is convenient to pay for utility bills, mobile, and more than 50,000 services on Kaspi.kz. No commissions, as we see here. Bonuses are also awarded for most payment. You can also view your payment history. From the top, for example, I want to show you what pay for most often, and this is mobile services. To do this, select mobile and enter your phone number and the amount you want to throw. Next, choose the payment method, and also want to draw your attention to the fact that you can spend your bonuses. Click to pay, and that's it. I have already shown about transfers in the Kaspi Gold section. So we got acquainted with all the features of the Kaspi application, and in conclusion I want to say that the Kaspi applications actually made people's life easier. Now in the world of technology, everything can be done through the app without leaving home, and I think we are convinced of this. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With you were Bakibayeva Janel and Akhan Faskar.